Hello everyone. What I'm about to explain is backed by the mechanics who work at this shop, so there's no need to worry. This can be fixed. When your Honda Civic shows the message "Check DRL system," the car is basically telling you, hey, something doesn't add up with the daytime running lights. DRLs are the lights that stay on during the day so you're more visible, and even though it may seem like a small detail, the Civic monitors them all the time. If it detects anything out of the ordinary, it turns on the warning on the dashboard. Now here's the interesting part. In many cases, the lights are actually on, yet the message still appears. Why? Because the system doesn't just check if the lights are on. It also checks how much current is flowing through the circuit. If that reading doesn't match what the car expects, it assumes there's a problem, even if everything looks normal from the outside. Following that idea, one of the most common causes mechanics mention is replacing the original bulbs with LED lights. This happens to a lot of people. They install LEDs because they look more modern, and a few days later the check DRL system message pops up. The issue is that LEDs use less power, and the Civic interprets that as a failing bulb. To the car, it's like saying, that light isn't behaving the way it should. But pay attention, not everything is the LED's fault. Another frequent cause is loose connections, worn wiring, or poor grounds. Over time, with vibration and heat, a wire may not make good contact and the system detects intermittent voltage drops. That's enough for the warning to appear and disappear when you least expect it. From there, many mechanics recommend starting with the basics. Check the bulbs, fuses, and connectors before thinking about major parts. There are real cases where simply replacing a bulb that was still working or tightening a connector made the message disappear completely. Sometimes the problem is smaller than it looks. If your Civic is a few years old and everything else checks out, then the next suspect is the DRL module. In several models, this module can fail internally over time, and when that happens, it sends erratic signals to the dashboard. Some owners replaced or repaired it, and that was it. Goodbye warning.